Like, subscribe, and get notified.
तुमको फटीले नाही ना जो तो फटी
The horrifying rape and murder of a 31-year-old doctor have shocked the nation, highlighting the dire need for safety measures for medical professionals. In response, a nationwide protest is being held to demand justice for the victim. In Goa, doctors organized a silent protest on Saturday, urging the central government to enact stricter laws in such cases.
Peaceful protest rally आम्ही केल्ली आसा हिंगा. We have followed all the directives from the traffic police. We have allowed the traffic to go smoothly, and as a gathering we have arranged here. So we have to prove a point so that the victim gets justice as fast as possible in Kolkata rape and murder case, in solidarity with the rest of the IMA and the rest of the nation, basically. So here we are stopping the rally, and we will be continuing our protest back in Goa Medical College here after this. So we will be going, some of us will be going to the Pato Plaza where they are parking. बाकीचे आम्ही बसून वयतले GMC भितर, and we will continue the protest there.
So this is nationwide.
This is nationwide protest. IMA has shut down all medical facilities, but Resident Doctor Association has been continuing the protest since last 4-5 days. So, and we have joined them yesterday, and from yesterday we are continuing. So today this is our part, and we will continue the protest until the justice is delivered.
So how long you will?
This we are in coordination with FORDA, MARD, and the rest of the organizations that are there, and we'll take a collective call on this, and we still stand in solidarity because we are not going to give up until the justice is delivered.
केन्ना पर्यंत रेझ्यूम जातले म्हटल्यार OPDs?
OPDs resume जावपाचे. It will start as soon as possible because we also want to go back to work, get back to work, help.
We are waiting for a national resolution. The central demands are, we are not demanding it from a specific authority. When all the resident associations all over India unitedly decide that we can resume our OPDs, the OPDs will be continued. This is a national solidarity event.
At the South Goa District Hospital, doctors observed a minute of silence in solidarity with the Kolkata rape victim, demanding swift justice.
But we are in the government setup, so we are bound by our conduct rules and we cannot strike, okay, as gazetted officers. So we have to express our solidarity, and this is one way by, gathering together, observing a minute silence, and then we go ahead and conduct our regular OPDs, okay, because we have to follow our conduct rules. And anyone wants to say something in support of this, you can express yourselves, because I feel that what has happened there can happen in anywhere. So security at workplace has to improve. We have to have increased security and mechanisms where we as healthcare workers, it's not only doctors, it's also the nurses and other healthcare workers are taken care of, because we are sometimes working in a very hostile environment and we work under a lot of stress. So we have to have mechanisms in place where these things can lessen our stress. Okay, anybody wants to say something and say a few words? Medical superintendent couldn't be here today, but he also conveys his regards for this, and he wants to also express solidarity with this movement of ours.
Watch on Herald TV.